Hey folks, welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Today, we're all about the buzz-worthy OnePlus 12. This phone's got everyone talking, and for some pretty solid reasons. Let's dig into what's got everyone so excited. At the core of the OnePlus 12, we've got the beastly Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, this setup is ready to tackle everything from your epic gaming sessions to your binge-watching marathons. Now, about that screen, OnePlus really went all out. We're looking at a 6.8 inches OLED beauty with a crisp 3168 by 1440 resolution. The LTPO 3.0 tech lets the refresh rate flex from 1 all the way up to 120 Hz, making for buttery smooth action on screen. And thanks to its 4500 nits peak brightness, you'll have zero trouble seeing everything in broad daylight. Photographers and selfie kings and queens, get ready. The OnePlus 12 packs a 50MP main shooter, a 48 megapixels ultra-wide for those expansive shots, and a 64MP telephoto lens that can zoom in up to 120x. Oh, and the 32 megapixels front camera? Your selfies are going to look incredible. All in all, the OnePlus 12 is looking like a heavy hitter in the smartphone game. With its powerhouse performance, stunning display, and camera prowess, it's definitely one to watch. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember to hit that like button, share, and subscribe for all the latest tech chatter. See you in the next video.